Say hello to the squiggly wiggly soap noodles, a brand new way to play in the bath. Kids will love the colorful spaghetti-style soap noodles, and parents will love that every ingredient is skin-safe and cosmetically tested. Start small with our mini bubble kits. Each one includes a serving of soap noodles and a collectible ducky. Meet Puddles the kitty, Waddles the axolotl, Nibbles the shark, and Splashy the mermaid. So cute, you'll want to collect them all. Ready to serve up a full bath time meal? Our mid-size kit lets you plate up a dish of sudsy spaghetti, complete with colorful soap noodles, soapy sauce, and sprinkle confetti toppings. Choose from unicorn spaghetti or dragon dinner for a magical bath time feast. And when it's time to go all out, the ultimate bath art studio turns your tub into a full-on sensory party. Create with bath crayons, finger paint, soap noodles, bath tablets, soap confetti, and to top it off with your own collectible artist ducky. From bite-sized bubble kits to magical spaghetti dinners and the ultimate bath time art studio, Soap Noodles turn every splash into a chance to play, create, and imagine.